Now we want to show an app that is specifically designed to show the changes to the master record of a fixed asset. And it's really interesting because it goes by the concept of the documents. Like every change gets written with a document, so it will show the complete history, and of course, like the previous value, the new value for each field. It's really a great tool to use. So let's start change documents. And well, the company code is correct, but we need to enter the ID for our master record. So we'll enter the one for the printer, the multifunction printer. So well, let's run this. Of course, we have some parameters. We could use those to restrict what gets shown. But right now, well, only, of course, only one master record is being shown. And interestingly enough, we have, of course, the details for the dates. Like if this change happened in different dates, we'll have different lines here. And inside that folder, we have actually the two relevant events for that day. Here we have the time with hour, minute, and second, of course. So the first one, this one is just the creation, so we don't have much of the history because everything was new here when we just created the asset. And of course, this is the user ID that we are connecting with. So it's being shown here, of course. But interestingly enough, we have here the change. And as you can see, well, we have the two fields because we have the description. So the description was modified from fax machine to multifunction printer. And well, of course, the inventory number at first, the inventory number was just empty. And then we entered a valid inventory number, which was 41. So from empty, it went to having this value 41. So again, all of this is valuable, and the way in which we can just use this app to check the the changes for some fields in a master record, because sometimes, especially if the change was something that impacts the calculation of the depreciation, let's say the useful life, for example, sometimes it's really important to investigate and see, for example, the user. Maybe we don't understand why this changed, so we can just locate the user and ask him or her about this. And well, if it's correct, we can just leave it like that. But if it was maybe something wrong, it was an error, we can maybe just take steps to correct this and well let the user know that this was not correct. So well, now that we have all of this and everything is clear, let's just quit the app. And of course, we want to thank you as always for the attention that you have lent to us.